Some materials allow electric current to pass through them. Others do not. The materials that allow electric current to pass through them are called conductors. Iron, copper, brass, aluminium, silver, gold, graphite, etc. are the conductors of electricity. The materials through which electric current doesn't flow are called insulators. Insulators are also known as non-conductors of electricity. Paper, wood, plastic, cloth, eraser, rubber are the insulators. Pencil lead is made of graphite. It is a form of carbon. It is non-metal, but it is a conductor of electricity. It can be tested whether a given material is a conductor of electricity or not. The given material between the free ends of wires in an electric circuit. Face the given material between the free ends of wires in an electric circuit. Bring the free ends of the two wires close. Now let them touch each other. If the bulb glows, the material is electrically conducting, otherwise it is an insulator.